Hi there. In this video, what we're going to do is find the exact value of cosecant of negative 2 pi over 3 radians. And once again, when we have a radian measure and you're not quite sure how to picture this, we can always cheat a little bit and convert this to degrees. So 2 pi over 3, well, negative 2 pi over 3. Remember, the conversion factor is 180 degrees for every pi radians. And what we have there is the pi's cancel out. 3 divides into 180 60 times. And this is negative 120 degrees. So I'm going to draw an angle, 120 degrees measured clockwise from the positive x-axis. So here's my x-axis. And 120 degrees, I'll draw the ray. So here's the ray in the positive x-axis. There's 90 degrees rotated clockwise, and there's an additional 30. So that means that my angle is right there. So this is negative 2 pi over 3 radians, or negative 120 degrees. So remember, the technique we use is the reference angle idea. So the reference angle is the corresponding angle that our angle makes with one of the x-axes. It's an acute angle. Since this angle is 120 degrees from the positive x-axis, that means this is a 60-degree angle. And that means that the cosecant of negative 2 pi over 3 degrees has something to do with, now remember, 60 degrees is pi over 3 radians. So I need to evaluate the cosecant of pi over 3 radians, and then adjust for sine, S-I-G-N. Okay, so cosecant of pi over 3, now remember, pi over 3 is really 60 degrees. We know that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so this is the sine of pi over 3. And remember that the sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So that means this is 1 divided by the square root of 3 over 2, which means just the reciprocal of root 3 over 2, which is 2 over square root of 3. Now, before we get to adjusting this for sine, S-I-G-N, I'm going to rationalize the denominator, and that gives us 2 square root 3 over 3. Now, our angle terminates in the third quadrant, and cosecant, it basically will have the same signs as the sine function. We know that the sine function is negative in quadrant 3 because sine is the y-coordinate, and the y-coordinate of the unit circle where it intercepts this angle is going to be negative. So therefore, the cosecant of angle negative 2 pi over 3 is negative 2 square root 3 over 3. And that is how we find our exact value using reference angles.